Hello, fact finders. Today we're going to take a look at this page in our penguin book. But before we get reading, let's learn some words that will help us understand the book better. The first word we're going to learn is webbed feet. My turn. Webbed feet. Your turn. Webbed feet, just like in the picture, means that in between each of the penguin's toes, they have a piece of skin that covers this area. And what that does is when they move their feet through the water, if I moved my fingers through the water, water would just go right through. But because they have that webbed part in their feet, it helps them to push through the water, helps them to be better swimmers. In fact, all of the words we're going to learn today are tools that the penguin has to live in its environment. And remember, its environment is mostly in the water, so it has to be able to swim well, and it's really cold. So let's see what other tools the penguin has to help it survive in its habitat. It's the place where it lives. Blubber. My turn. Blubber. Your turn. Blubber is a layer of fat on the penguin's body that helps keep it warm and helps it float when it's swimming. Flippers. My turn. Flippers. Your turn. Flippers are the penguin's arm, but if you notice, they're shaped so that it will help them push their body through water. Feathers. My turn. Feathers. Your turn. These feathers are not like feathers on a bird. They're not soft, and they're very small, and they're really packed closely together, and that's going to help the penguin stay warm. It's also going to help them swim. Sleek. My turn. Sleek. Your turn. Sleek is another way of saying smooth. The penguin's body is very smooth. And again, that's going to help them go fast through the water. All right, we're going to tackle this page today. I'm going to start over here because there's a joke. The joke says, what did the penguin do when he got upset? And the answer is, he flippered out. He flipped. Oh, that's funny. I like that this book has jokes. Over here we have our heading. Remember, heading tells us what the page is going to be mostly about. The heading says not just any bird. So I think we're going to learn about what makes penguins special. Now we have a different kind of graphic today. Yesterday we had an illustration. It looks like it was drawn by someone. This is a photograph. This was taken with a camera. A photograph gives us lots of information. And then we have these little photographs that are pointing to areas on the penguin. And next to them are words telling us what we're looking at. I'm going to go ahead and read the page to you, and I want you to think, what are some facts that I can add to my fact finder poster? Penguins are perfect for their lives at sea. They have a sleek shape for speed, and they have a layer of blubber that keeps them warm. Stiff flippers act like boat paddles to push and steer. That's this right here. Big eyes to see underwater. Layers of soft feathers trap heat. Stiff, oily feathers on top keep the water out. There's an arrow, and then you can see it up close, kind of like the picture of the feathers that we just saw. Big webbed feet for better steering. Right there. And then over here, we have another one of those boxes that's going to give us a definition for webbed. We already learned about webbed. It says connected by skin. In between the toes, there's skin. And so those feet, their feet are webbed. There's a lot of information on this page. Let me get my highlighter out. All right, I have my highlighter out. Let's see if we can underline some facts to add to our fact finders list. Penguins are perfect for their lives at sea. They have a sleek shape for speed and a layer of blubber to keep them warm. So, let's see. Sleek shape for speed. Layer of blubber keeps them warm. And of course, my highlighting is disappearing because I have it set wrong. Let me pick. They have a sleek shape for speed. Oh, it's doing it again. Darn it. Okay. They have a sleek shape for speed. And they have a layer of blubber to keep them warm. What else is on this page that's interesting? I think it's really interesting that they have big eyes. I'm going to underline that too. Okay, so sleek shape, blubber to keep them warm, and big eyes to see underwater. So I'm going to go over to our list. I'm going to add these facts to our list. Oof, we have so many good facts. I'm going to change the facts from yesterday and we'll change them to green so that we know that today's facts are new because they're black. So the first one was penguins are sleek. So they are fast. Super fast. Penguins have blubber to keep warm. Penguins have big eyes to see underwater. I got an underline. I wonder what that is. Let's see. This program will tell you when you spell things wrong. Oh, underwater is one word, not two words. Interesting. These are our new facts for today. Penguins are sleek, so they are fast. Penguins have blubber to keep warm, and penguins have eyes to see underwater. Your job is to write 2 of these facts. You can pick which 2 you like. And to draw another picture, because I'm pretty sure we've run out of room on that other page. And I'm wondering if you could draw a picture that shows that penguins are sleek and that they have blubber and big eyes to see underwater. Do you think you could do that? I want you to give it your best try. You can always go back in the video and look at the page in the book. Here, let's look at it. If you need some help drawing a penguin. So your job is to write 2 of these facts on paper with a pencil. Do not write them in Seesaw. Then click the button right below. Go over to Seesaw and just take a picture of your work so that I can see your writing. Remember, this is a writing exercise. We are practicing our writing. So let me see your handwriting. And I think that's all, friends. Have a great time writing these facts about penguins. I'm really excited to read them.